Hello and welcome to the NAEHCY conference. We wanted to send you a quick video to help you troubleshoot some of the entrances to the conference and how to access your sessions and look through the app. So today we're going to walk you through what it looks like to join. You should have received an email just like this one with some important information, including a link to the Virtue Meet. Go ahead and click that Virtue Meet link, but be sure you look at your password and login information before you do so. So go ahead and click on that link. It is going to take you over to Virtue Meet. Click enter here. It's going to take you to a login screen. Remember that password from your previous email? Go ahead and enter that in here with your email address. It'll ask you then to change your password. I've already done that, so I'm just going to go right ahead and log in. Now that I've logged in, I see my session for today. But today being before the conference started, I have a test session that I can walk you through and what that looks like. So it is about 10 minutes before I want to start my session, or my session has already started. I'm going to go ahead and click on that session title of what I would like to join. I do that. I see who is in attendance already. I see some description about what the session looks like, and I go ahead and I click Join Now. Once I click Join Now, a screen like this is going to pop up. It's going to show me a placeholder for the session along with a chat box. That placeholder for the session has a plus sign play button on it. You're going to go ahead and click that play, and it's going to start the session for you. If you're having trouble hearing, go ahead to that left side and change that volume up and down there. Within your chat box, you'll want to make sure you have your chat box turned on. This chat box has a small little power button, a settings button, and a pin toggle. They're very hard to see, but they are there. Make sure that you have that power button turned on so you can see the chat. Within your settings, you can turn on and off the sounds for the chat, change the font size and other things with that. I like to have my sound off and just watch the chat come through. Your pin toggle will either pin you right at where the questions have started or allow you to have the most recent come up on your screen. Feel free to click that to see what you prefer better. I like to have my chat come through live. Now my session has ended. It has gone back to my home screen and where it started. And I need to go back to the agenda because I want to click on another session. So I click on agenda. I see what other sessions are for today, and I move right along to my next session or attend the break to learn a little bit more about our sponsors. Now, if you need CEUs, make sure that you are heading in and out to the agenda between every session so that your email address is tracked within the system so we know that you attended each session. Every time you enter and every time you exit, it is logged so we're able to track those hours for you. So now when you're on Monday, make sure between each session you are logging in and out. You'll go ahead and click that title. Within 10 minutes of the start time, you'll have a Join Now here. You'll click on that Join Now. You'll click the play button on the session itself. You'll watch the chat on the side, chat if you have any questions, and our presenters will be able to chat back with you. And then hit that agenda to go into the break or to go into your next session. We really hope that you enjoy the conference, and we look forward to learning so much more and interacting with you throughout this week. Thank you so much.